Hello everyone, today I will be making slime with my mother.
Okay.
We're gonna get straight into it.
Okay. Here's your water.
Okay, so you need this much water. I don't know how much it is.
Half cup.
Half a cup.
Right. Put it in that bowl.
And then pour all of it into a bowl.
Right. And you want to do 10 drops.
And then 10 drops of food coloring.
Okay, I will help you with this.
If you have. 1. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's too much. 10 drops of food coloring. That is all.
That's about
And
10
then,
drops.
Like stir it up a little.
Wait. And the glue.
Before you stir, put this Elmer's glue in.
Not all,
But not all.
because it's a big bottle, so we're gonna
Yeah.
do half of that bottle.
Yeah. Because it's a lot of glue in one. You could use all if you want. But we're not gonna not gonna use all. We're just gonna use half. And then
Okay, that should
start to mix
Take your time on this.
slowly.
Vivian.
Mix slowly. If you mix fast, you would mess the whole thing. You would have to throw it away. Put it like we're gonna show you how it looks. This is how it looks. This is how you have to stir it. Or if you stir it like that fast, you would mess the whole thing up. Just keep on stirring until you don't see any more white. Don't add more water than half a cup. And then, while you're stirring, you need a parent to help. And ask them for 1 cup of water. So we're just gonna pause. You keep on mixing until it looks like this, and then move to the next step.
Okay.
Then
You mix 1 cup of water.
grab 2 bowls. Put half a cup in one bowl, 10 drops of food coloring. In the next bowl, put 1 cup of water. After you put 1 cup of water into your bowl,
You need 1 teaspoon.
you need 1 teaspoon of borax.
And stir until
And then-
dissolved.
And then stir until it's dissolved. And pour half of this into your second bowl. And if you want, you could put all, and then you pick it up and squeeze all the water out of it. Ew.
Then
Nasty. Ew. Ew. So nasty, guys. So like, ew. I Can't even pick it up. It's so slippery. I'm gonna have to wash my hand after this. It's nasty and fun. I don't know how am I gonna squeeze all the water out.
You keep dropping it back in.
Yeah, it keeps on falling back in. I can't squeeze the water out. We put too much. I'm trying to squeeze out as
Okay, you gotta get
much as I can. Oh God, I got a cut on my hand. When I was at a couple days ago. Yesterday, I mean, and it's hurting. I think I'm getting it out. I think I'm getting water out.
You put it here. No, rest it here. Put it here, right? Now go back. Drain the water.
I'm just gonna do part at it. I'm just gonna do part and then part. It's so yucky. Oh my God, it keeps on falling back in. It's gonna get part. And then squeeze all of the water out. If you don't squeeze all water out, it won't work. It's a messy situation. But once you finish, it will not be messy. It will be just clean. We put red food coloring and it looks pink. It's nasty though. I think I got all the water out of this one. Sklop. Wait, this is right? And now I'm gonna pick up piece by piece and squeeze it out. It's yucky. Nasty. Look at my hand. Oh my God. Keep them falling back. And I have to do piece by piece. It's so much. Oh gosh. Guys, it's so nasty. So nasty, guys.
William, that's a really big slime.
Please it.
It's gonna go in the
It's so yucky.
Yeah.
So yucky though. You have to drain every single ounce of water.
Oh, good.
If you drop it back in the water, it would be messed up real bad. So it would be hard to squeeze this out because it squeezes out of little pieces, squeezes into little particles, and then gets out of your hand. It's hard. And your hands would be wet, so.
Oh. It's a
So you might want to wash your hands after you do it, if you do it.
Got you.
So those so nasty. And I
What's that?
don't know how I would do this, because my hands are wet and all that stuff. This is wet. My hands are all slimy. It feels disgusting. But once all water's out, it feels amazing. So sticky. It starts off so sticky, but then it's not when you squeeze out all water. But make sure you play with it. It's not on carpet. or stuff soft. Only hard floors. Only hard stuff you can play with it. Stuff that it won't stain on. Which is good, better. And then I guess this is enough. I'm just gonna squish off my hand. Squish my hand in this for a couple seconds. Now I'm gonna pick up as much as I can. That was a big batch of water in there. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Wow. Oh god, I think I squeezed out all the water already now. So I'm just gonna dip that right there. And it's messy. Whoa. Wow. Oh, one piece fell. It is weird. Oh. Ew, guy. Nasty. Make sure you wash your hands after this experiment. It is real nasty. Once it's dry, it's good. You have to get a plate to like or anything to like put it on once you get all the water off. Okay, guys, it's almost done, and this is the rest. And then we will be done. Just gotta squeeze out all this water, and we're done with it. So, guys, this is what the slime looks like when it's done. You need to squish it up like a little, like mix it up. Like, it's cool though. So you just have to stick your fingers inside of it when you're done. And then just like flip it up and down. Wow, this is tiring.